Very good morning, students. Yesterday we have completed till exercise 1.1. Now today we are going for the next topic, that is for 1.2. In 1.1, what we have learned? We have learned to calculate index number by fixed base method and chain base method. Fixed base method and chain base method. We have learned both these methods for index number. Okay, fixed base method has two types. One is a single year and next is an average year. So there were two calculations. Now both these methods we have done. Now for the next topic, the topic is such: if you have calculated the index number through fixed base method and if you need to convert this index number to chain base, then what is the formula? Or vice versa. If you have calculated with chain base method, then you have to take it to fixed base method, then what is the formula? Then that two formulas we will learn for exercise 1.2, and it is very simple thing. Okay? So looking in the book, on page number 16. On page number 16, I am reading the heading: conversion from fixed base to chain base and from chain base to fixed base index number. There will be one formula for each and two sums for each. So it is a very easy thing. So in your notebooks, now you are going to write next topic, conversion of index numbers. Friends, you all need to write it. Conversion of index numbers. And you write such a way, type 1. First type. Conversion of fixed base index number. Now friends, one more thing. Fixed base index number, we will denote it in a short way, FBIN. F means fixed, B means base, I means index, and N means number. Now single time I will write this thing, and from now onwards I will use that short form. Conversion of fixed base index number to chain base index number. And what is the short form? Now short form will be CBIN. Yes? Okay. So from fixed base to chain base. Now you understand one thing, friends. We are converting fixed to chain. So what we are calculating, fixed or chain? We are calculating chain. Why? We have fixed base and we have to convert it into chain base. Okay? So CBIN, chain base index number, is equals to fixed base index number means FBIN CY. CY means current year. Friends, listen it properly. CY means current year divided by fixed base index number of previous year multiply 100. So this formula is just like I is equals to P1 upon P0 into 100. See, current year by previous year into 100. But friends, this is not just a simple thing. You need to remember 3 things for it. So write down notes. Okay? First note. First note, everyone will be knowing that index number of base year is always how much? 100. See, you will be knowing when we are calculating fixed or chain base, the first answer is always 100. So that thing you have to learn, that index number of base year is always 100. This is a basic thing. Now the second and third thing is very important, friends, for calculating this formula. So listen it properly. Number 2. If the base year is not mentioned in the question, what I have written, if base year is not mentioned in the question, means if you are calculating this sum, base year is not mentioned. So underline base year, underline not mentioned. Then what will you do? Then CBIN of first year will be 100. CBIN means what we are calculating. Chain base of first year will be 100. I am repeating, friends, please listen it properly. If the base year is not mentioned in the question, base year नहीं दिया है question में, then chain base of first year will be 100. Means first answer will be 100. Now how it will be 100? We can only clarify through the sum. Okay. Number 3. If the base year is mentioned in the question, if the base year is mentioned in the question, so underline base year, underline mention, then what will you do? Then CBIN of first year is equals to FBIN of first year. Now you need to make a box highlighting this thing. CBIN of first year will be 100 in the second note, and CBIN of first year will be equal to FBIN of first year. Now these are the 3 notes which you have to remember for solving this question. Otherwise it will be difficult to solve the question. I am repeating for everyone. Index number of base year is always 100. Index number base year 100. Do like this. Highlight these things. Index number of base year is always 100. Second and third thing, please understand for the question. If the base year is not mentioned in the question, base year नहीं दिया है, तो first chain base, first answer will be 100 itself. How it is 100? I said we will look into the question. Number 3, if the base year is mentioned, here it is not mentioned, so 100. No mention, then 100. Mention, then same. Same क्या है? Chain base of first year will be equal to fixed base. मतलब जो question में दिया है उससे same हो जाएगा. ठीक है? So note it down, everyone. Okay. Now going for the sum. This is first topic. For type 1 we have 2 sums. For type 2 also we have 2 sums. So we are solving the sums. Everyone. On page number 18 and 19, exercise 1.2, and for first we are calculating thirds. Why third sum? The reason is that I am reading 4 and 4 question. You need to understand what I am telling you. See, read the first question on page number 18. Why we cannot solve it now? The chain base index numbers of agricultural production of 2008 to 2014 are as follows. Compute fixed base. But what we are writing here? We are writing this formula for calculating chain base. And here chain base is given. हमें fixed base calculate करना है. Here तो fixed base is given. So first sum we cannot solve it now. Then second sum. Obtain chain base index number. Okay, chain base हमें calculate करना है, पर वो अभी नहीं करवा रहा हूँ क्योंकि base year is mentioned. 2 types of question will be there. Base year is mentioned, base year is not mentioned. मैं पहले ये question कराने वाला हूँ. Question number 3. See, in question number 2 you can see obtain chain base index number from fixed base. Okay, the question is clear कि chain base calculate करना है, इसके लिए ये formula. और उसके पीछे आप देख रहे हैं कि with 2007-8 as the base year. मैंने जो ये बात कही है नोट 2 और 3 में कि बेस ईयर इज मेंशन्ड और नॉट मेंशन्ड, तो वो क्वेश्चन में ही लिखा होगा. डोंट आस्क मी एनीथिंग फॉर दिस. इट विल बी क्लियरली रिटन इन द क्वेश्चन. सी इन सम नंबर 2 एवरीवन, 2007-8 as the base year. See, base year is not mentioned and base year is mentioned. These two things are to be remembered. Base year is mentioned है तो उसमें फर्स्ट आंसर क्या आएगा? 117.4 ही आएगा, क्योंकि बेस ईयर मेंशन है तो फर्स्ट दोनों आंसर सेम आएगा. पर कैसे वो हम देख लेंगे. ओके, नाउ थर्ड सम. द फिक्स्ड बेस ऑफ इंडेक्स नंबर्स आर गिवन एंड वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द चेन बेस. थर्ड क्वेश्चन. एंड उधर क्वेश्चन में कहीं भी नहीं लिखा है कि बेस ईयर क्या है. सी, इन द हेडलाइन कुछ भी बेस ईयर नहीं दिया है. So this is a type of this sum. You are getting me, everyone? Sum number 2 and 3 will be solved by this formula. And also now we are solving sum number 3 because it is as per second note, and then we are solving question number 2 it is as per third note. And again question number 4 is to obtain fixed base number as first question. So वो बाद में होगा. So now we are solving third sum. Everyone be ready. Leave one line. Okay. Everyone should give the heading. Exercise 1.2, and first we are doing sum number 3 with some third sum. Yes. Now which columns are to be made? Okay, ईयर के बदले मंथ दिया है तो मंथ का कॉलम। नाउ फ्रेंड्स, एन इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग विच इज नॉट रिटन इन द बुक बट यू विल राइट, अदरवाइज यू विल नॉट कोप अप विद द सम। इन द क्वेश्चन सेकेंड कॉलम इज, नेम ऑफ द कॉलम इज इंडेक्स नंबर। हमें सिर्फ इंडेक्स नंबर नहीं लिखना है, हमें ये तय करना पड़ेगा कि कौन से इंडेक्स नंबर क्वेश्चन में दिए। तो आप हेडिंग में देख सकते हो, द फिक्स्ड बेस इंडेक्स नंबर ऑफ फूड आर गिवन। सो द नेम ऑफ द कॉलम विल बी नो इंडेक्स नंबर बट व्हाट विल बी द नेम, FBIN। जो अगर आप ये लिख देते हैं तो ये आपके लिए इजी होगा कि अब जो फिक्स बेस दिए हैं तो हमें क्या कैलकुलेट करने पड़ेंगे, चेन बेस। So right, the next column is chain base index number and also the formula is needed. What was the formula? FBINCY divided by FBINPY multiply 100। और उसके साथ एक जो नोट हमने देखा है कि बेस ईयर इज मेंशन्ड और बेस ईयर इज नॉट मेंशन्ड, वो भी आपको लिखना पड़ेगा। तो इधर लिखेंगे बेस ईयर नॉट मेंशन। अब फ्रेंड्स, बेस ईयर मेंशन नहीं है तो फर्स्ट आंसर कितना रहना चाहिए, 100 रहना चाहिए। ठीक है, चलिए ओके। फ्रॉम जनवरी टू अक्टूबर space is little bit okay। We need to leave a single line so that our calculation will look very clean. Okay? Yes. Now I will write the question digits. 271, 270, 268 two times, 278 again 2 times, 283 then again 2 times, 293 and last but not the least 299. Yes friends, again बेस ईयर मेंशन नहीं है, तो फर्स्ट आंसर 100 आना चाहिए। अगर आपको ये नहीं पता है फिर भी आंसर 100 ही आएगा, कैसे? वी आर लुकिंग फॉर द फॉर्मूला। फिक्स्ड बेस ऑफ करंट ईयर का फिक्स्ड बेस आ रहा है 271 डिवाइडेड बाय फिक्स्ड बेस ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर। फ्रेंड्स, जनवरी के पहले दिसंबर आता है और इफ आई एम हैविंग 2009 ईयर तो उसके पहले क्या आता है 2008। तो वो क्वेश्चन में दिया होगा। देख लीजिए आप सम नंबर 3 में क्वेश्चन में कहीं भी ये नहीं दिया है और सम नंबर 2 में वो दिया है। द क्वेश्चन इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 8-9। Question number 2 I am saying the question is starting from in the top you can see base year is given 78, so one previous year is given and here no such year is given. उसका मतलब क्या होता है कि कैलकुलेशन स्टार्ट ही जनवरी से हो रही है. सो फिक्स्ड बेस ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर, एज आई सेड इन 1.1 अगर कुछ नहीं दिया है तो वही डिनोमिनेटर में आता है एंड मल्टीप्लाई करो 100 से तो आंसर क्या रहता है, आंसर 100 ही रहता है. क्यों? सॉल्व इट, आंसर विल बी. सो द नोट नंबर 2 इज फुलफिल्ड हियर. When the base year is not mentioned तो डिनोमिनेटर में वही आएगा जो न्यूमरेटर में आएगा, तो आंसर 100 ही मिलेगा. और सपोज बेस ईयर यहाँ मेंशन किया होता तो क्या हो जाता, तो यहाँ 100 आ जाता, 100 कट करके दोनों आंसर सेम हो रहा है, वो हम सेकेंड सम में समझेंगे, अभी नहीं. चलो अभी हम सब लिख देते हैं. करंट ईयर 270, प्रीवियस 271 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 100, आंसर बाद में लिखना. 268 डिवाइड बाय 270 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 100, 268 प्रीवियस आ जाएगा 268. ये सिंपल चेन बेस जैसा ही है, इसमें कुछ नहीं है. 278 डिवाइड बाय 268 मल्टीप्लाई 100, 283 divide 278 multiply 100, 283 upon 283 multiply 100. Only take the previous value, nothing else friends. 293 divide by 283 multiply with 100, 293 upon 293 multiply with 100. Last 299 divided by 293 multiply 100. Now I am writing the answers. 270 divided by 271 multiply with 100. 99.63. 268 divided by 270 multiply with 100. 99.259 है, सो 26 हो जाएगा. 268 upon 268 will be 100. 278 upon 268 multiply with 100. 103.731, so 73 रहेगा. 283 divided by 278 multiply with 100. 101 पॉइंट पहले देख लो, 79 है और 9 के पीछे 8 है, तो ये पूरा 80 हो जाएगा. ओके, इसमें इस हम भूल कर रहे हैं कि 798 आ रहा है, तो 79 और 9 के बाद 8 है, तो 9 के बाद 0 आना चाहिए, तो आगे का वैल्यू भी चेंज हो जाएगा. देन हियर आल्सो इट विल बी 100. अगेन 293 upon 283 multiply 100. 103.53. Here also it will be 100. 299 upon 293 multiply 100. 102.05 होगा, क्योंकि पीछे 7 है. You all can see the sum. As per the formula, first of all draw back, then write the answer. This was about the third sum of 1.2. Now we are going for the second sum in which base year not mentioned नहीं, अभी base year mention किया होगा, देख लो एक बार. Yes. Now going for the second sum. Reading the question, sum number is 2, exercise 1.2. Yes, obtain chain base index number. बराबर, from the fixed base index number, so fixed base are given FBIN. Also base year 2007-8, so base year is mentioned and base year क्या रहेगा 7-8. ओके, फॉर होलसेल प्राइसेस. चलो ड्रॉ करते हैं. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 117.4, 118, 121.3, 125.1, 128.4, 131.6, 134.6. Such a way we are again calculating the same sum but with a different note where base year is mentioned. Now each and every student will clearly listen what is the important difference between third sum and second sum. बाकी second type से सब वही है, only listen here. Now see, fixed base of current year 117.4 divided by fixed base of previous year. In sum number 3 there was no previous year, but in sum number 2 see 2008-9 के पीछे क्या है 2007-8 and in the first note I have given कि base year दिया है तो उसका इंडेक्स कितना हो रहा है 100 and multiply 100. So ये 100 कैंसिल हो जाते हैं और आंसर बन जाता है 117.4. अब आप अपनी थर्ड नोट फिर से देख सकते हैं कि if the base year is mentioned then fixed base of chain base of index number will be equal to fixed base. CBIN will be equal to FBIN. देखो ये दोनों आंसर सेम आ रहे हैं. And if this base year was not mentioned then 117.4 ही आएगा और इधर आंसर 100 आ जाता है. इसलिए this is the basic difference that if some previous year is given then 100 should be written, and if that previous year is not given then the same value is written and answer will be 100. Only for first, for next no change. Now current year का 118, previous year का 117.4 multiply 100. अब पहले लिख लेंगे 121.3 upon 118 multiply 100. 125.1 divided by 121.3 multiply 100. 128.4 divided by 125.1 multiply 100. 131.6 divided by 128.4 multiply 100. Last 134.6 divided by 131.6 multiply 100. Writing the answers. 118 divide 117.4 multiply 100. 100.51. 121.3 divided by 118 multiply 100. 79 फिर 6 है तो वो फिर से 8 हो जाएगा. 125.1 divided by 121.3 multiply 100. 103.13. 128.4 divided by 125.1 multiply 100. 102.637 होगा 64. 131.6 divided by 128.4 multiply 100, 102.49. 134.6 divided by 131.6 multiply 100, 102.30 होगा। क्यों 30? देखिए 279 है तो 7 का हो जाएगा 8 होगा, 28, सॉरी 102.28, 7 का हो जाएगा 8. So you can see base year is mentioned, so first both answers were same, other by formula. Okay, so sum number 2 and 3, friends, sum number 2 and 3 were completed with type 1. Now going for type 2, where chain base will be given and fixed base will be calculated. Yes. Now everyone, we will write type 2 opposite to it, conversion of chain base index number, मतलब CBIN to fixed base index number. What is the thing? Now the opposite what we have learned, conversion of chain base index number to fixed base index number. Now what we need to calculate? Fixed base index number. So FBIN, fixed base we need to calculate. So fixed base index number is equals to chain base index number CY. CY means current year's chain base index number. Now this is not divide, this is multiply. Multiply fixed base index number previous year divided by 100. Now friends, everyone will be thinking about one thing, that when we are calculating chain base index, the formula is FBIN CY divided by FBIN PY multiply 100. उसका मतलब ये होता है कि जब आपको चेन बेस इंडेक्स नंबर कैलकुलेट करने होते हैं तो सामने फिक्स्ड बेस आएगा। अब इधर ऐसा नहीं है, आपको फिक्स्ड बेस कैलकुलेट करना है तो सामने चेन बेस तो आया पर दूसरा नाम क्या आया? फिक्स्ड बेस आया। इसका मतलब ये हो रहा है कि हमें जो ये आंसर मिलता है वो प्रीवियस में काम आएगा। जब आप सम देखोगे तभी आपको पता चलेगा। देखो इधर बहुत सिंपल था, हमें जो क्वेश्चन में दिया है वही हमको रख के सब वैल्यू लिख के लास्ट में आंसर लिखते हैं। बट ये सम कैसा है कि इसमें आंसर भी इम्पोर्टेंट रहेगा। उसका मतलब ये हो रहा है कि जो आगे का आंसर है, जो पीछे का आंसर है, सॉरी आगे का नहीं, जो पीछे का आंसर है अगर वो सही हुआ तो पूरा सम सही रहेगा, और अगर पीछे का आंसर गलत हो रहा है तो सभी गलत हो जाएगा। ओके, नाउ फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज द फॉर्मूला। ओके, now in the previous sum I have given 3 notes that base year is mentioned, not mentioned. Here no such note is important. important. So we will write a note. It will not make any difference. It will not make any difference whether base year is given or not given. मीन्स बेस ईयर कहाँ इंपॉर्टेंट हो रहा है? जब भी हमें चेन बेस कैलकुलेट करना है, पर हमें फिक्स बेस कैलकुलेट करना होता है तो बेस ईयर गिवन होता है कि नहीं होता है, इट डज नॉट मेक एनी डिफरेंस. सो आपको ये लिखना पड़ेगा. एवरीवन प्लीज राइट डाउन द हेडिंग, फॉर्मूला एंड द नोट दैट बेस ईयर इज मेंशन्ड और नॉट मेंशन्ड, एवरीथिंग इज सेम. And next we will go for sum number 1. So I hope everyone is writing. And please see such videos. I am telling you are writing, but actually you don't need to write live. First I will complete my whole lecture, then watch my lecture again and write, okay? Otherwise you will not get the things. Yes. Now again, exercise 1.2, sum number 1. First sum, friends, on page number 18. Chain based index number of agriculture production from 2008 to 14 are as follows. Compute fixed base index number. So chain base दिया है, fixed base में करना है, और देखो उसके बाजू में ही लिखा है take 2007 as base year. When we need to calculate fixed base numbers, friends, this base year is not important. Yes, make the columns. Year. Now the name of second column, which index is given? Previous sums fixed base was given. Now in this sum chain base are given. So CBIN, and what we need to calculate? FBIN. Formula is chain base CY. CY means current year multiply fixed base previous year divided by 100. Write the values. 2008, 2009, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 100, 1110, 95, 108, 120, 106, 1110. So we are ready in the sum. And also I need pencil in this sum, so everyone please in this sum you need pencil also, because the previous answer is important here. Now we are solving the sum, and as we know the previous answer is also important, so we need to solve it together itself. Okay? Yes. चेन बेस करंट ईयर का चेन बेस कितना है? 100 मल्टीप्लाई फिक्स्ड बेस ऑफ प्रीवियस. अब इसके पहले कोई आंसर ही नहीं दिख रहा है. देखो चेन बेस प्रीवियस नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ मैं पूछ रहा हूँ फिक्स्ड बेस प्रीवियस. इसके ऊपर कोई आंसर नहीं है, तो ना हो तो हमेशा वो 100 रहता है. एंड डिवाइडेड बाय 100 आंसर विल बी 100 gets cancelled. The answer is again चेन बेस ऑफ करंट ईयर 100 आप देख रहे हैं, फिक्स्ड बेस ऑफ प्रीवियस इसके पहले कुछ नहीं है तो 100 ही रहता है, एंड डिवाइडेड बाय 100, सो आंसर इज नाउ द थिंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट इन नेक्स्ट थिंग, करंट ईयर का चेन बेस 110, नाउ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, फिक्स्ड बेस ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर। अब आप ये 100 नहीं ले रहे हैं, आप ये 100 ले रहे हैं, आपको लगेगा सर तो 100 ही ले रहे हैं, कोई भी 100 उठा लो, नो नो, दैट इज नॉट करेक्ट। What you need fixed base of previous year, that is 100 and divided by 100, so 100 gets cancelled and the answer is 110. But what you need to do with pencil, do this thing, that this answer is used here, okay? Yes, now current year is 95. Again, previous answer is 1110 divided by 100, and again in this way, 95 into 1110 divided by 100, 104.5. आपको थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग लग रहा होगा क्योंकि ये 100 और 110 इधर भी है, 100 और 110 इधर भी है, ये सम मैक्सिमम कंफ्यूज करेगा सबको, इसलिए मैं फिर से बता देता हूँ कि चेन बेस ऑफ करंट ईयर, फिक्स्ड ऑफ प्रीवियस, 100 के पहले कोई आंसर नहीं है तो 100 ही आएगा, डिवाइड बाय 100 तो है ही, तो आंसर 100 रहेगा। करंट ईयर 110, प्रीवियस ईयर आंसर 100, डिवाइड बाय 100, 100 कैंसिल, आंसर इज 110। करंट ईयर का 95, प्रीवियस का रहेगा 110, इधर से लिया है, डिवाइड बाय 100, सो आंसर अब आपको समझ में आएगा। करंट ईयर का 108, अब ये 95 नहीं लेना है, सबको लगेगा कि सर इधर से ले रहे हैं, बट सर इज टेकिंग फ्रॉम हियर, इनटू 104.5 डिवाइडेड बाय 100, 108 मल्टीप्लाई 104.5 डिवाइड बाय 100, 112.86. Okay, now next, current year का 120, previous year का आंसर 112.86 multiply 100, 120 into 112.86 upon 100. What is the answer? 135.43. Current year 106, previous year 135.43 divided by 100. Everyone, it is compulsory to do this arrow with pencil, okay? Otherwise you will not understand the thing. 143.56. Okay, last 1110 multiply 143.56 multiply with 100, 1110 into 143.56 divided by 100, 157.916 है तो 9। Now what I mean to tell is that कि अगर आपका आंसर इधर से ही गलत आएगा तो देखिए the answers, all the answers are based on previous answer. If the answer is wrong here, then the whole line will be wrong. If the answer is wrong here, then after this everything will be wrong. So please solve it very clearly and very carefully. You can watch the sum. And now last sum for today, sum number 4. You may watch this sum. Okay, the last sum number 4. Now the last fourth sum for today. Again, the chain base index number of sales of certain type of scooters. See, chain base index number is given from 2010 to 15 are as follows. Find fixed base numbers. See, we need to calculate fixed base numbers. Chain are given and base year is given or not given in the first or fourth question. It is not again important. Okay. 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. There is so much of power problem. 1110, 1112, 109, 108, 105 and 111. If you are not able to see the board, then it is okay because there is no power supply. Okay, so I am dictating also. Friends, there is so much of power problem nowadays. Yes, now we are ready with the sum. This is the last sum, okay? And also see friends, tomorrow, today itself, in the evening, I will send a permanent timetable for you. Because as you know, there are other lectures also you need to attend from the other teachers. So I will send a permanent timetable which is to be followed daily. Okay? Today evening I will send it. Now the last sum we will complete it very fast. Okay? Now we are starting the sum. Okay, see, power supply has came back for us. Yes. Chain base of current year. How much? 110. Fixed base of previous year. Nothing is given, so always 100. Nothing is given, so always 100. Remember, agar nothing is given, then we are always taking this value, but for here, always take 100. Yes. Divided by 100. What is the answer? 110. Then 112 multiply 110. ये नहीं है, ये है. Divided by 100. 1112 into 1110 upon 100. What is the answer? Yes, 123.2. 109 multiply 123.2 divided by 100. So 109 into 123.2 divided by 100. 134.288 है, so 29. Then 108 into 134.29 डिवाइड करेंगे 100 से. Again you want to make these things. 108 134.29 divided by 100. 145.03. Next 105 into 145.03 divided by 100. 105 into 145.03 divided by 100. 152.28. 111 into 152.28 divided by 100. 111 to 152.28 divided by 100. 169.03. Okay friends, so this is about the fourth sum. For exercise 1.2 we have started with third sum, then second sum, then first sum, so 3, 2, 1 and in last fourth sum. In total for 1.2 there are two types of sums. Okay, so that's all for the today. In today evening I will send a permanent timetable. Also it is necessary to write all these things and send me. Still many of them are not sending the homeworks and some of them are regularly attending me, so it's very necessary to send the works also. Okay, so that's all for the today. Thank you.